Yes, it's just a normal Christmas. It's just a normal Christmas Eve. Sun is shining, at least I think it is. I cannot really see the sun. So, yeah, I think everything's good. Oh wow, I hope some convenient bad guy doesn't show up that has captured Santa Claus. Who coincidentally looks like Tim Allen with the long white beard and a Santa hat. Right? Right? Dang it, I spoke too soon. It is I, the guy who doesn't like Christmas a lot. Yeah. It seems like with my master abilities, I have captured Santa Claus. Hello! Help! I have been trapped! Today was just not my day. And now that I have captured Santa Claus, I shall take over Christmas, because I do not like Christmas a lot. As my name is the guy who doesn't like Christmas a lot. Yeah. Let me just get back to the normal size. Oh wow, if only I coincidentally had a sword. Meow. Oh, well, I guess a lot of things happen whenever you coincidentally want something. What? How did that get there? Alright, let's see what you can do. Size. Oh, wow, that's a big sword. Well, time to throw it. Oh, I'm dying. How could you do this? I thought we were like brothers. Boy, you just showed up out of nowhere. Now it's time for you to die with my magic sword. Oh no, I'm melting. I've done it. I'm normal-sized again. It seems like you have saved Christmas. Well, I do the best I can, Mr. Claus. Now, this was a rough day. My back really hurts. I'm gonna have a seat. Wait, Santa, no, that's the sword! Wait, no, stop!